Charlie, make you read what's up there. What's the most toxic thing you've ever done to a man? I need inspiration. If you see comments, I'm not going to talk anything. Make I just show you people. Abeg, make you read them. Read them. I told everyone he left me for a man. You told everyone the man left you for a man. Okay, read the go. If I pause, then read. Pause and read. Then look at the toxic things that they do to men. Read. Just say, I was so shocked. And there's no form of remorse. No form of, they are proudly saying it somewhere, busy laughing, happily laughing. I'm like, hey. Let me just keep quiet for you people to read. Read. He's my son now. Read.